Hey y'all, in this video today I will be showing y'all how I achieved the watercolor method on this 613 wig I purchased from Amazon. This wig cost me about $70 after tax, which I think is pretty affordable, especially for a first time wig. It also came with a wig cap if you do not have one on hand, which I think is very convenient. And while I'm just showing y'all what the wig looks like straight out the pack, what you want to start off with is getting you some boiling hot water. I don't remember how much I used, but what you want to do is get just enough for the whole wig to be able to submerge all the way under the water. Okay, so these are the colors that I'm using today. Vivid Shades Red, Ruby Red, and Adora Color 69. The color that I'm going for is a bright red with a little dark roots. So I'm just going to empty all the bright red that I want the whole wig color to be into the water. Right here, I saw this tip on another YouTube video, but what she did was took her Got to Be Freeze spray and sprayed it on the edges of the wig, just making sure that this dye or the color doesn't bleach the lace of the wig. So I just wanted to try it out for this being my first time. I just wanted to take precautions just to make sure that I don't mess up. And I'm just going to start off by dipping the ends of the wig in first, just to make sure that this is the color that I really want to go for. Once I see that this is the color that I like and the color that I imagined, I'm just going to slowly dip it in, making sure that the color is getting all into the strands of the hair and making sure that I'm taking my time. As I checked it, I could tell that the red wasn't really evenly dispersed and it kind of looked a little pinkish. So I took a little leftover of the color that I had and just directly poured it on there and took my fingers and rubbed it in. After I rinse the wig off camera, now I'm just blow drying where I'm about to put this dark color dye on. You want it to be semi-dry, not wet, so that the dye can actually take to the hair. Now I am about to take that dark color dye and put it on my roots. This part you really want to take your time. Make sure that you don't get any dye on your lace because that will completely mess it up. But just go slow and take your time. Even though I sped this part up just to show you what I'm doing, just make sure that you go really slow.